When it comes to wall frame production, efficiency matters, and so does flexibility. The Spida ComponentMaker, with our tailor-made software, is built to handle both standard Nogs and flat Nogs, all in one machine. Fabricators can move seamlessly between jobs. In one wall frame, you might be nailing flat Nogs, then switch straight to standard Nogs, even on the same stud. With the ComponentMaker, automatically adjusting the gun orientation and clamps to suit. No complicated changeovers, no downtime. For flat Nogs, the ComponentMaker positions them flush with the bottom face of the stud, delivering consistent and accurate results every time. Without a machine like this, flat Nogs would need to be installed manually, adding time and labour to the process. Operation is simple and safe, with two-hand no tie-down control, keeping the operator in a safe working position at all times. Safety isolation prevents the nail guns from firing unless all the conditions are correct. Timber and analog sensors confirm that timber is present, the correct size is loaded, and the orientation is correct. Only then will the machine operate. The ComponentMaker handles all standard timber sizes, providing flexibility across a wide range of wall frame designs. Adding flat Nogs creates a larger surface for fixing and fastening, making installation easier and more efficient for builders on site. That means better outcomes in the factory and on the build. The Spida ComponentMaker, one machine, two Nog styles, efficient, accurate, and built for modern wall frame production.